177 upon 20 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle 47 upon 6 centimeter. So here is denominators and numerator both are different. So we find first LCM 20 and 6. 2 10s are 20, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 3 3. Then 3 5 5, 3 1s are 3 and 5 1s are 5. So LCM of 20 and 6 is 16. Our first 177 upon 20 we multiply by 3. So we will get LCM 60. 177 into 3 is equal to 531. 531 upon 60. 47 upon 6 we multiply by 10. So we will get our LCM. 6 tens are 60. 47 tens are 470. See here 531 upon 60 and 470 upon 60. 531 is a greater fractions and it is corresponding with perimeter of triangle 177 upon 60. So perimeter of triangle ABC is greater. Now take your homework. Solve 4 plus 7 upon 8. Second 3 upon 5 plus 2 by 7. 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 50. 2 integer 2 by 3 minus 3 upon minus 3 integer 1 by 2. Problem sums a rectangle sheet of paper 12 integer 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Salil wants to put picture in frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integers 3 upon 10 centimeter. How much should the picture be trimmed? These all sums for your homework. Okay students, to be continued with next class. Children, exercise 2.1, read to 8. Students, let's continue exercise 2.1, read to 8. 3 upon 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple Somu ate? Who had the longer share? By how much? In these questions, part of apple eaten by Ritu is equal to 3 upon 5 is given. So part of apple eaten by Somu is equal to 1 minus part of apple eaten by Ritu. So 1 minus 3 upon 5. Here is 5 and here is no any number. So we write here 1 and LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 3 upon 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 by 5. Therefore, Somu ate 2 by 5 part of the apple. Here Ritu ate 3 upon 5. Somu ate 2 by 5. Here you see, here is denominators, both fractions are same. So it is simple, 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 by 5. 3 upon 5 is corresponding with Ritu. So Ritu had the longer share. And then how much is subtractions? 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 5. Here denominator are both fraction is same, so no need to find LCM, just direct subtractions. 3 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 part Ritu had more than her brother Somu. Start exercise 2.2. First sum. Which of the following drawing A to D shows? First 2 multiplied by 1 by 5. Second 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 by 3. 4. 3 multiplied by 1 by 4. See here, first is 2 multiplied by 1 by 5. Here 2 represents addition of two figures. Means how many figures? Two figures. Each representing one shaded. Here is 1. So one shaded part out of 5 equal parts. Hence 2 into 1 is equal to 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 represented by figure D. Here is our figure D. See how many figures? 2 figures. And this divided into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And one shaded part. So 1. So 2 by 5 represented by figure D. Now come to second. 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Represent additions. How many figures? 2 figures. Here is 2 figures. Each shaded 2 figures. Each part representing 1. Here is 1. So 1 shaded part out of 2 equal parts. So 2 into 1. 2 upon 2 represented by figure B. See how many figures? 2 figures. 1 shaded part. 1 by 2. So 2 upon 2 represented by figure is B. Third one. 3 multiplied by 2 by 3. Represent additions of figure is 3. Represents additions of 3 figures. Each part represents 2 shaded parts out of 3 equal parts. It means 2 3s are 6 upon 3. 6 by 3. Represented by figure A. See, here is our figure A. 3 figures. 2 parts shaded out of 3 parts. So it is our answer A. Is our answer. Then 4, 3 integer 1 by 4 represents additions of 3 figures. Each part representing 1 shaded part out of 4 equal parts. Hence 3 by 4 represented by A. See how many figures? 3 figures. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 figures. How many? 1 part divided into 4 equal parts. So here is 4 parts. And 1 part is shaded. So 1 part C here is shaded. So its answer is C. Let's students start exercise 2.2. Multiply and reduce to lowest and convert into mixed fraction. First we understand what is the lowest form. In the fractions, denominator and numerator have no common factor other than 1. It is called lowest form of fraction. First one is 7 multiplied by 3 by 5. See, 3 is prime number, 7 is prime number, 5 is prime number. So no common factor other than 1 in this fraction. So just we multiply 7 3s are 21 upon 5. Then we convert 25 upon 5 into mixed fraction. I already explained you in exercise 2.1 how we convert into mixed fractions. Just simple division. Now second is 20 into 4 upon 5. 5 and here is 20. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Here is full whole number 16. So we cannot convert into mixed fraction. Here is 5 upon 2 into 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. 5 threes are 15. Then 13 into 1 by 3. See, 3 is prime number, 13 also prime number. So here is only one common factor, common factor is only 1. So 13 into 1 is 1 upon 3. So we convert into mixed fraction. 3 fours are 12. 1 remaining, 4 integer 1 by 3. Now in second questions, 1 by 2 of 24. First one is 24. Second one is 46. 1 by 2 of it means multiply. So 1 by 2 multiply by 24. 2 ones are 2. 2 12s are 24. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. 1 by 2 into 46. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 1 into 23 is equal to 23. Then second, 3 by 4 of 16. Of it means multiply. 3 by 4 into 16. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 36 of it means multiply. The fraction is same. 3 by 4 into 36. 4 ones are 4. 4 nines are 36. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Question number 6. First one, 5 into 6 integer 1 by 4. Here is mixed fractions is given. So first we convert into simple fraction. 5 into 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 4. So here is 25 and here is 5. Both numbers are not divided by 4. So we just multiply 25. 25 5s are 75 by 4. Then we convert into mixed fractions. 75 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 35. 8s are 32. 3 remain. So here is 18 integer p by 4. Answer is 18 integer 3 by 4. It's our answer. Here also second one. Here also mixed fraction is first. Mixed fraction is given, so we convert into simple fractions. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1, 13 by 4 into 6. Here is 4 and here is 6. Both are divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 13 3s are 30. 9 by 2. We convert into mixed fractions. 39 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 19. 9s are 18. 1 remains. So we write 19 integer 1 by 2. It's our answer. Third one, mixed fraction. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 8. Here is 5 is not divisible, 8 and 70. So we multiply. 17 8s are 7 8s are 56. 5 8 and 5 30. Convert into mixed fraction by division. Is equal to 27 integer 1 by 5 is your answer. Now here 1 by 2 of it means multiply. 1 by 2 multiply of 2 integer 3 by 4. So 1 by 2, here I convert into simple fraction, 8 and 3, 11 by 4. 2 is not divisible by 11 and 11 also not divisible by 4. So 11 upon 8, convert into mixed fraction, 1 integer 3 by 8 is our answer. In same way, 1 by 2 of it means multiply. Here I convert into simple fraction, 36 plus 2, 38 by 9. 38 is divisible by 2, 2 ones are 2 and 19 are 19 upon 9 is equal to 2 integer 1 by 9 is your answer. Question number 2 is problem sums. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. Then first part, how much water did Vidya drink? What fractions of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Let's solve. Question of problem sum. Water consumed by Vidya, 2 upon 5 of 5 liter of it means multiply. So 2 by 5 into 5 cut. So 2 liter water consumed by Vidya. Water consumed by Pratap. 1 minus 2 by 5. So 5 is LCM. Here is no any number, so we write there 1. So 5 minus 2 by 5 is equal to 3 by 2. So water consumed by Pratap is equal to 3 by 2 liter. It's your answer. And here is your homework of exercise 2.2. Note